let's go for a ride. Nobody stops. We need to visit the police station. There are no rules. Back to emergency. Checked out, gonna get an x-ray. A quick drive to the hospital to try to get an x-ray or CT scan or MRI for my foot because it's still painful from the crash I had, and it's been quite a while, so it's better to check if I don't have like a stress fracture or something like that, and better safe than sorry. And if I can continue my trip, because I'm kind of worried a little bit that it will get even more painful, then I won't be able to continue my loop. But it would be better if that's just a very big sprain and I can continue. So let's go to Lipa City to try to find the hospital and get a scan. It's not too far to the hospital I've been recommended. It's been a while since I got kind of stuck in Lipa City because I'm waiting for drone propellers and other things which I ordered. And the funny thing, like, there are plenty of DJI stores, but nobody has any accessories and parts, like no propellers. You need to order them online, and not probably even from the DJI, but Shopee and things like that. And most of the products come straight from China, so it takes some time. So yeah, pretty inconvenient. But the same goes with the dealerships for the bikes and everything, like the same for the donkey. Like, there is Kawasaki dealership in Palawan and Puerto Princesa, but they don't have any parts. If you're unlucky, you might need to wait for a month, 2, maybe more. A little bit of rush hour, of course. Wannabe traffic enforcers, looks like that. Let's survive, let's survive. Okay, so first fella sent me to ER because they don't have any doctors available at the moment, and then they said the ER guys will give me like a paper to get an x-ray or something and check it out, so let's see. That's an ER. So got admitted to ER. We'll see from there. ER, checked out, gonna get an x-ray. Let's see. Let's go for a ride. In a wheelchair. They don't let you drive. Never. Back to emergency. Here we go. A few hours roughly, maybe tops, for 5,000 pesos. Really not much, like $70 or so. Got some pain medication for my sprain, no fractures, no nothing, so that's great. I can continue the journey. No need to rest. Well, need to rest, but kind of can continue if I want to. So yeah, the best thing is that no fractures. So yeah, that's great. Next time I will just go to the hospital earlier. Okay, let's go back home. Okay, all clear. Can go home. Get back with video editing. Maybe get some food on the way back, and that's it. Let's see how much it will be for parking. There you go. How much? 20. There you go. Thank you. Have a good night. Okay. See ya. A little bit ramming. The rules of a big city, that there are no rules. There we go. My spot. Welcome to Burger King. Hello internet. Time to explore the city a little bit and go grab some food. Okay, let's go explore Lipa City. Okay, let's go. Got the fly in my eye right away. Let's leave this labyrinth. I miss donkey a little bit in these days without riding. I haven't been riding for at least 2 days, so missed it a little bit, especially without the bags and all the cargo I'm carrying with me. Very simple barangay, one straight street and all the houses around. Okay, he's trying to pull something off here. More housing projects. Salamat po. You too. A little bit of traffic. Eggs are cheaper than in Palawan. Fun fact, tricycles are different again. Way lower side cart, different shape for the driver. Interesting. More rush hour traffic. Pets. You wanna get a rat or a parrot? Here we go, and we're standing still. Of course, somebody does not have to leave space. I would call these strikes sports strikes. Low to the ground, good for racing, very aggressive sports strike. Ooh, smoky. Simple principles. You have a car, you are king of the road. Let's go back there, because it was very unclear. It's been a while since I ate a Burger King. Crossing the streets in the Philippines, nobody stops. Let's leave Burger King and let's try to find Dunkin' Donuts for the dessert. And leave this chaos behind. At least I know where I might change my propeller at the like mobile repair shop and things like that. That might work. Let's go through chaos. No turn signal, nothing, of course. Very chaotic. Definitely don't wait for the day when I will need to cross through Manila. That will be a torture. Looks like the queue for gas. Most likely. Oh, because it's very cheap. Bakery. It's time to go for a quick ride, refresh my head from work and video editing, and just explore the neighborhood, what's good here, what to see around, and got a few recommendations, so we'll see how it looks like. Not too far, a few kilometers away, some sort of cafe and horseback riding place. So yeah, interesting to see, even though most horses I've seen so far are like very skinny and poor looking here in the Philippines, but maybe these ones will be bigger, so we'll see. A little bit of evening traffic, and here supposed to be turn to the left somewhere here. Well, in the middle of town they have horses. Okay, here or there. That's big. Hello, horses. Oh, proper horses, not that skinny ones. Okay, do they have a donkey here to meet for my donkey? Okay, I guess fancy horses for fancy Filipinos. How are you? How are you? Hello. Yeah, just like, you know, driving around. Finally, it's less skinny horse than regular outside. Okay, let's not bother them. Okay, see ya, guys. Have a good night. Welcome back. Probably the last day in Lipa City. Trying to go to Shopee delivery hub to get my propellers instead of waiting and maybe not getting them today. So yeah, going there and then grabbing some food and back to work, and then planning the route for tomorrow, or which I hope for, and then we'll see. Up through Manila, or the second day through Manila, because it will take some time to go by, and yeah, but basically we'll see when I will start planning the route. Let's go to explore the city in the heat in the midday. Get some gas for tomorrow, most likely. Like a full tank while I'm in big town and the fuel is a bit cheaper. And somehow Pizza Hut is not delivering food today, or it's not possible to order from them, so that's why we'll need to go directly there and get it. Poor fella in the heat. Doesn't look good. Everything is too empty. Hopefully I will be able to get my parcel and get some food, which I want. Just did the impossible. No pickup, no deliveries today, but still managed to get my propellers. Done with the parcel, and let's go back and get some fuel while gas stations are still open, and looks like everything else closed today. 91, 91, 95. Where's 91? Yeah, here it is. Do you accept cards? Yeah. Okay. I want 91. Yeah. That's why I'm turning around. Full tank place. Ugh. Yes, 91. Let's go. It will take some time. Yeah. Perfect. Fuel got cheaper a little bit or not? Oh. Okay. Still plenty. It's 23 liters, so it will be maybe 18. I can keep going. There's still like 3 liters or so at least. And good. Yeah, perfect. Almost 16 liters. Okay, that will be on the card. Yes. Hi, want a sticker? Sure. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, I'm going around the Philippines. You're a vlogger? Well, from time to time. Okay. Yeah. When I'm doing the Philippine loop, so. How many of you are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, Filipinos love stickers. I know that. You want another one? There you go. Yeah, here we go. One more.
Thank you.
Yeah, here we go.
One more.
One more for you.
Thank you.
Okay, one for you. Yeah, sorry. All good. One more. There you go. Everybody has one? Okay. More? All good? All good? Okay. Okay, see ya guys. Have a good day. A bunch of stickers. Hopefully they're gonna follow up. Suddenly it got busy. There you go, Filipinos. That's how you do it. Ooh, mangosteens. Yes. Let's try to get some. Wow. Sir, how much are the mangosteens? 300. Wow. 300 per kilo. Huge though. Okay, let's get a few. Just a treat for myself. Quite expensive, but 195. Welcome to the city of Lipa. Got my pizza for today's food. Going back home, back to work, back to videos, and plan my route for tomorrow. And it will be time to go back on the move. Yeah, kind of missed riding and need to keep on going. Another day near Lipa City. Still here, still not riding. Need to deal with some drone issues. The screws got stripped yesterday, I kind of fixed that, but now some screws are not getting in, so need to find the proper screwdriver. Also need to visit the hospital again to get the better, more detailed form for the insurance, and also need to visit the police station to get the accident report of some sort, even though most of my crashes happened or will happen far away from cities, civilizations and stuff. So yeah, let's go for another ride near the city, near Lipa City. Okay, let's go out for a spin. Really want to go back on the road, but soon, maybe tomorrow, maybe on Monday. Everything looks back to normal actually. Yesterday everything was closed and now everything is back to normal. Let's find a parking spot. Mall's parking lot, you need to pay for parking. Very interesting. Great news. I found kind of decent screwdriver at one of those Japanese shop, like everything cheap and everything in one place. But then I decided to check mobile and computer repair shops just to ask and then compare like the size of the screwdrivers they have. And the guy was like, hey, I have some extra ones if you want to. And yeah, so I bought from him an extra specialized tiny screwdriver for like 100 pesos, which is a really good deal. And now I can finish the work on the drone, which is really good. So yeah, amazing deal, I would say. Yeah, let's go through. We'll be quicker. Let's see how much we need to pay for this opportunity. Hello people, I'm surrendering my ticket. What's the damage? 20. Jeez, such a privilege. Hey, it's your lucky day. Here you go. Well, thank you. Have a good day. 20 pesos for a few minutes. Not too bad, but also what for? Okay, let's stop at the hospital and then the police station. Another 20. Oh, just for a few minutes. For Filipinos, like they need to pay everywhere. Now need to find the police station and talk with them. They will be willing to write accident reports, even though it happened in the middle of nowhere. Police station. Let's try to figure it out. Guess impounded cars, maybe? No luck here. Probably will need to give up on the refund for the insurance. And now we'll know that you need to do it right away, somewhere in the middle of nowhere in the mountains. Yeah, but that's a part of insurance business, to do everything not to pay or reimburse. That's fine, whatever. Back to work, back to editing, and then go continue the trip around the Philippines tomorrow or on Monday.